If you had invested just $100 in Bitcoin a decade ago, you'd be a millionaire today. But don't worry, it's not too late. In this video, I'll reveal the top cryptocurrencies you can invest in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. 1 Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto. Bitcoin is the most well-known and widely accepted cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. It was the first cryptocurrency ever created and remains the most valuable in the market. With institutional investors continuing to accumulate Bitcoin and the 2024 Bitcoin halving expected to reduce supply, many experts predict a major price surge in 2025. If you're a beginner looking for a safe and reliable investment in crypto, Bitcoin is the best place to start. 2 Ethereum, ETH, the future of smart contracts. Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a powerful blockchain platform that enables decentralized applications, NFTs, and smart contracts. With the launch of Ethereum 2.0, the network has become faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient. Major projects and developers continue to build on Ethereum, making it a strong long-term investment. If you believe in the future of blockchain technology beyond just payments, Ethereum should be a key part of your portfolio. 3 Solana, SOL, the fast and scalable contender. Solana is known for its lightning-fast transactions and low fees, making it one of the most scalable blockchain networks today. It is a direct competitor to Ethereum, powering decentralized finance, NFTs, and gaming applications. With increasing adoption and major projects being built on Solana, its potential for growth in 2025 is huge. If you want a high-speed alternative to Ethereum, Solana is a great option for your investment. The world of cryptocurrency is evolving rapidly, and 2025 could be a game-changing year for investors. Whether you're looking for stability with Bitcoin, innovation with Ethereum, or high-speed performance with Solana, there's an opportunity for everyone. But remember, crypto is a high-risk, high-reward game. Always do your own research, invest wisely, and never put in more than you can afford to lose. So, which cryptocurrency are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. The future of crypto is just beginning. Are you ready to be a part of it?